Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to add emotions to your AI generated voices in Elevenlabs. It's really quick and easy. Let's just get into it. In case you guys don't have an account on Elevenlabs, I will give a link in description as well. You guys can go and check it out from there. Now once you have done that, on the top left you will see text to speech. Click on it. I have given here some sample text. You guys can go here and select what kind of AI voice you want to use in your video. Further, just go and hit generate. It might take
I
few
can't believe you
seconds.
did that.
Now this is the default voice created by this AI tool. What we can do is go and hit settings here. Once you hit settings, there are three options given to you: stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. Now if I just increase this one here, and we can go and put this a little bit low here, stability, and now if I regenerate the voice here, go and hit
I
regenerate.
can't believe you did that.
Now this one was a bit exaggerated. Let's go and what if we decrease the similarity here and hit
I can't
regenerate
believe you did
speech.
that.
Now as you guys can see, it's really that easy to just go and add emotions in it. In the bottom right, you can go and hit download button as well. You can download these sounds to use in your videos just like that. And that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.